Locate the water valve and make sure the valve is open and in the on position. The water filter is located in the base grill below the freezer compartment door. Remove the filter by pressing the eject button and pulling straight out on the filter cap. Avoid twisting the cap when removing the filter because this could cause the cap to come off. Remove the cap by turning it counterclockwise until it stops. Keep the cap to use with the replacement filter. Align the ridge on the cap with the arrow on the new filter and turn the cap until it snaps into place. Push the new filter into the opening in the base grill. As the filter is inserted, the eject button will depress. The eject button will pop back out when the filter is fully engaged. Flush the system with water. Use a sturdy container to depress and hold the water dispenser lever. Continue depressing and releasing the dispenser until a total of 3 gallons has been dispensed. This will flush air from the filter and water dispensing system and prepare the water filter for use. After changing the filter, press and hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds. The on-off switch for the ice maker is located inside the freezer in the upper right side. To turn off the ice maker, slide the switch to the off position. To turn on the ice maker, slide the switch to the on position.